What's up, guys? It's Nolly back with another video, and today I'm doing a slime video. And for Christmas, which is today.
Merry Christmas, people.
Merry Christmas, everybody. I got a laptop for Christmas, and I'm on it right now because that's my mom's laptop right there that my brother is doing a video on right now. And I'm gonna start right now. So I'm going to open this because they're in plastic, and this is a cool feature because this is a whole kit, even though it looks like glue and foam beads, but this is actually mixed in with some activator. It says red glitter glue and crunchy slime activator right there.
Never made red.
And I've never made red or green. No, I've never made red slime. So it's my first time doing it. And comment down below, what's your favorite color when you make some slime? Or what's your favorite color in general? Wait, I want to see what this is. So I'm gonna start putting the glue in. How much glue should I add? Well, I'll put the glue in right. So guys, that's how much glue I'm gonna add. Look, this is how much glue I'm gonna add. Or should I add more? So I just heard that I was thinking because I have another glue thing that I'm just gonna add the whole thing. So I'll be back with you when I've added the whole thing. So guys, I just put most of the glue and all that I could get out in here. But I also have this kit that I got also today, and it's called Glitter Slime Kit. Washable, safe, non-toxic. And it was $10. Try our kid-friendly repunch. You could just get these from Elmer's. Elmer's is amazing. He makes tons of slime. And I have activators, so I'm gonna try and add a little bit in. Oh, whoa. So I'll be right back when I get this opened. Look it. So I just opened it, and I've already put a little bit in, but I'm trying to get it out. Oh, okay. I just put a bunch in. Look at guys. Look at that. And I put a spoon in a few minutes ago. Guys, this is pretty. Look at it. Oh, my hands just got glue all over it.
Mama.
So I'm just going to add a little bit more. And now it's all over my hands. And as I said before, this activator is mixed in with some foam beads, so it's pretty, but it also activates your slime. So I'll come back when it's kind of like sticking together. So guys, I think this activator is working because it's starting to do it, but I think I might have to use all of it because first of all, this is big slime, and And I really want it to work, so I just added a lot of foam beads, so I'm gonna mix it. Guys, look. Guys, I'm gonna adjust my laptop. Okay, so guys. Ooh, it's actually working. Look, it's not sticking in. Should I try it? Oh, gosh. It's slimy. I know some people don't care, and some people wear gloves. But you sometimes gotta get messy. And by the way, Merry Christmas, everyone. It's sticky. Oh, hi, AJ. What you doing? Are you recording me when I'm recording something? Yes. No. Oh, so I was talking to my brother AJ, and if you've never seen him before, come on in, AJ. He's 6 years old, and this channel is called the AJ and Ollie Show. Yeah. And he usually is sometimes in some of my videos.
This was my channel first.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
What was it called first then?
I forgot.
AJ Show?
I'm pretty sure it's AJB baby. AJ. Mom, what was my channel first called? AJ baby. That was my first channel called.
So guys, I'm just gonna add some more of this. Oh, and I'll come back. Well, not come back, but I'm gonna keep mixing until it, and then I'm gonna wash my hands off with. Think I might get the table dirt. Let's just put that there. I'm gonna try and get all the glue in this, so if I overactivated it, it doesn't overactivate. Because whenever I make slime and I let it sit, it like turns horrible and really like hard or really sticky. So hopefully this one isn't the same way. So okay, guys, it stretches. My arm's hurting when I'm mixing. Ow. No, don't fall. I just had a... Oh, what was that? AJ, was that your phone?
Look at my phone.
Yeah, it's Christmas. He just got a phone and he's only 6 years old because someone broke mine. And I don't have one.
Yeah, you do.
Well, I used to have one. I had one, but I had something even better, and I'm on it right now. It's a laptop. Then my arm hurts.
Guys, look at that.
Did you show him the video that you were in when you were recording me? Guys, do you think I'm ready? Comment down below if you think I was ready to put my hands in. Hey, I might ask for you to give me some activator. Okay, guys. I did. I need some activator. Just squeeze it. No, squeeze it. You have to squeeze it. Oh. No. Like, you put your phone down. Don't put it on the glue spoon. Okay. Put it on the table. Over there. Where my Where's table was just
I
in
want
this
to
video.
come out.
You shake it down. Shake it. Don't do that. Okay, that's something you shouldn't do. Oh, it's starting to come off my hand. Oh gosh. Why did you add so much? How my pinky? I just cracked my pinky. It's starting to come off, guys. Look how pretty this looks. Okay, to me, what color? Does it look pink, kind of? Look, to me, it looks kind of pink. It's coming off. It's so sticky in the bowl. And I'm trying to clean the bowl, but I think it's just going to make it stickier because think it's just glue in here. But I'm trying to clean the bowl out. So I don't care if it's a little bit sticky. Because this is supposed to be enough to make all the slime. And don't even have... Well, I tried to get all of it out, but after I did it, it looked like it had 0 in it. But then all of it went to the bottom. So... But then I still have those, though. Okay, guys. See what I mean? It's starting to get sticky again. But not that much. Oh my gosh, guys, look it! Do you know what the slime flip is? I can't do it. Like, you do this and then you, like, flip. I think I just did it! Oh, but you catch it. Guys, comment down below if you know what the slime is. I learned it off of a different YouTuber. Who is it called again? Two Separate Sisters? Yeah, I learned it from Two Separate Sisters. Please check them out.
No, it was just 7:33.
Oh, and they are they're also a good YouTuber, though. I'm making slime. Guys, if you hear something in the background, that's my brother playing a game. And, my other brother watching YouTube. Guys, look how good this is. Okay, wait, let's try the clicky test. Ooh, I think the clicky test work. Look. Let's try the bubble test. I'll be right back when my area is a little cleaner. And I'll be ready for the bubble flip. Hey guys, so I just sat down and had some of my water, so I'll move this aside and see if the bubble test works. Whoa guys, look! It worked! Guys, I love slime. But some people in my family don't like slime that much. But I'll show you bubble test one more time, and then I'll make a swirl. You see how good that is? And then all the pop. I love
what is
crunchy.
the slime test? Isn't it stretchy test?
Swirl test. Guys, how much do you love this Insta swirl? Some people call it Insta swirls. Here, let's get closer. You guys like it? I think it kind of looks like a watermelon on camera. Let's see how far it stretches. Oh, that's as far as I can make it stretch. Because my arms are that long. But please go to Elmer's. They're amazing. Not sponsored.
Never.
Not sponsored by any of the YouTubers I said.
Or never sponsored.
Or not sponsored by anything, honestly. But I don't know if this will get posted today on Christmas. But just telling you guys, this was like this was filmed on Christmas. I don't know if it will get posted today on Christmas, but yeah. So this is my slime. It's literally like one of the best slimes I've ever made. And if you wonder what this is just my water bottle. And I'll be back because I accidentally threw the activator button on the floor on accident. So it wasn't like the activator, it was actually the glue, but still pretty much the same thing. Guys, look how easy. Oh, it's just flattened. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This slime's amazing. So I'm still going to try and clean out the bowl. I know it's a little bit sticky, so I might add a little activator, which is over here, so I'm going to get it.
But what do? They tie me up and
Guys,
take me to the Calypso things.
look at.
That's cool, bro. Well, we should probably get out of here before the COV come back. So, where are Lilith and the Raiders hanging these days?
Okay, guys.
The former COV propaganda center. Beat down every last one of them.
Now we're talking. Come on, let's get out of here. I'll lead the way, even though I'm totally unarmed. Can't let them know you're afraid to totally defensive, bro. Bandit life! So, you took over that COV propaganda center all by your little self?
I did. Barely broke a sweat.
I'm impressed. Totally trashed my camp. Like, that is not where that bloody skull should be. It is completely ruining the vibe.
So guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more glue, and I'll be back when I'm almost done. So guys, I just added a little bit of glue which is right here, which wasn't right there. And it's starting to get a little bit thinner because I added a little bit of activate. Oh, whoa! I shouldn't be touching that. Okay. So guys, I just added glue, and look how sticky it is now. Ah. So I think I'm just need to like keep kneading it, and then like it will get better because look how sticky it's getting. But it's getting really it's a little roughy. See guys, some people don't know how to do it. Some people don't know how to say I can't. Cardi B says I just heard EJ. My brother that just came in. I'm on our channel right now. If he did. So I'm practicing. Yeah, this is my brother. See, he knows how to do it. He's like, oh, cool. He says all you have to do is do it. Oh, cool. I think I see spider web. No, that's not spider web. Well, I just finished my slime. And, oh wait, yeah, we gotta try the spiderweb slime trick. Wait.
Do you know how to?
Yeah.
How do you know how?
Like this.
Well, it sticks.
Guys, it looks spiderweb. You probably can't see them, but if you put like glue in. Is that a stretch ball? So I'll be back when it's time to say bye. Guys, that was all for today. Guys,
You got more slime you can make.
yeah, and I did show you the box, and I will make more slime. Yes, maybe tomorrow? Maybe today? I don't know. Maybe a different video. You'll probably see me tomorrow.
Okay, guys.
Making another video. Just please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications bell because then you'll know when I've always posted a new video. So please check it out and please hit the little bell and the little thumbs up guy. Oh, there's a little thumbs up. So smash that thumbs up button right with your hand. Don't actually do it. You know what I mean, though. You've watched Sunny before, right? Jiggle. And if you haven't, he's a great YouTuber, though. But not sponsored by him either. So, that's all for the day, guys. Bye. Peace.